Welcome to Melbourne Power Equipment. Today we will be demonstrating how to service your Honda HHB25U 4-stroke blower. Okay, for the service today we will require a 5/8 spark plug socket and ratchet, a small hook to remove the fuel filter out of the fuel tank, a small container to catch your engine oil, or we sell these oil extraction kits online, and your Honda service kit, which you can get on our website www.melbournepower.com.au, which comes with an air filter, fuel filter, spark plug and engine oil. Before servicing your Honda blower, please ensure that the engine switch is in the off position. Okay, so there are 4 main parts we have to do in the service today: spark plug, the air filter, the fuel filter and the engine oil. So we'll get started with the fuel filter. To change the fuel filter, we'll first lay a rag down there to catch any fuel. Pull the cap off and then just pull out the cap restrainer. We'll then get your hook and grab that fuel line out like so, and just remove that filter from out of the tank. We can then pull that old filter out of the fuel line, get your new filter, which will have a little protective cap over it. Just pull that little protective cap off. Slide your new little fuel filter back into that fuel line and then push that one back inside the tank. You can now push your fuel cap restrainer back in, re-screw down your fuel cap, and that's the fuel filter done. Okay, we'll now do the air filter. So firstly, remove the air filter cover by pushing in these 2 little levers here on the air filter cover. And that cover will then just slide off. We'll grab your old air filter out. Grab your new air filter out of the Honda service kit. And pop that one straight in. Then that cover will just slip back on. There's 2 little clips there which will align as well. Make sure they're in the 2. Okay, so the next is the spark plug. So firstly we remove the spark plug cover flap. Let's pop that up out of the way. And your spark plug cap. Just pull that one off the top of the spark plug. And there's your spark plug down in there. Look at your 5/8 socket. There's your old spark plug. And grab your new Honda spark plug out of the service kit. And do your spark plug up tight. Pop your spark plug cap back on. Push it down firmly on top of the spark plug till you hear it click. And then just refit the spark plug cover. Righto, onto the oil change. Okay, so next we remove and replace the engine oil. Just remove the dipstick. And if you don't have an oil extraction kit, you can just tip this straight into a suitable container and then dispose of the oil safely. Put straight down in there. And that's it, that's all the oil. Then just pop that down into the container. Then to refill with engine oil, funnel here and the oil extraction kit and your genuine Honda engine oil, which is also out of the service kit. Now these blowers hold about 100 ml of oil, so just pour very slowly and just check often. The oil should come up to the top of the threads, which that does there, perfect. And finally, reinstall the dipstick. And that's it, all done. Thank you for watching today's video. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you on the next one.